Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai clarified his comment on Khajuraho's Chwari temple, saying social media distorted his word. I respect all religions, he said on Thursday. On September 16, the Supreme Court had dismissed Rakesh Dayal's plea seeking to change Vishnu idol. During that hearing, CJI told the petitioner, if you are a true devotee, pray to God. Justice K. Vinod Chandran called social media anti-social media. Advocate Sanjay Nuli, representing the petitioner, said false claims were spread online, wrongly linking remarks to the Chief Justice. The Supreme Court has sought responses from the Central and National Tiger Conservation Authority on tiger hunting allegations in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Petition number 829/2025 demanded a CBI probe into organized poaching networks. Both states host the highest tiger population in India. The bench said the matter is serious and needs urgent action. Wildlife group and activists are closely watching. Poaching has remained a long-standing threat to India's tiger reserves. The next hearing will examine how to stop hunting gangs operating in sensitive forest areas. In Jabalpur, the 168th Martyrdom Day of Raja Shankar Shah and Kunwar Raghunath Shah was observed with tributes led by Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. Speaking at Subhash Chandra Bose Convention Center, he said, birth and death happen once, but sacrifice makes life eternal. The Gond kings were executed by the British in 1857 for resisting colonial rule. Their bravery is seen as a symbol of tribal pride and India's freedom struggle. Thousands attended the program, which included patriotic songs and cultural performance. Floral tribute marked respect for the two heroes. Government employees in Madhya Pradesh, including IAS, IBS and IFS officer, have just 12 days to choose the Unified Pension Scheme. Nearly 2 lakhs employees are eligible as per rule. Once an officer switch to the National Pension Scheme, they cannot return to UPS. Employees failing to choose by September 30 will lose the option. Experts are advising staff to carefully compare benefits before deciding. The final deadline is critical as it affects retirement security and long-term financial planning for thousands in state services. Congress leader Jayawardhan Singh led a rally in Karahal, Shivpur, attacking the BJP government. He said every section of society is trouble under BJP rule, pointing to farmers, youth, women and government staff. Hundreds of workers joined with slogans and banners under the Kisan Nyay Yatra and Jan Andolan campaign. Singh, a former cabinet minister, promised to fight for farmers' justice. Locals said the rally was among the largest opposition gathering in recent months. The charged atmosphere highlighted growing political tension ahead of elections in the region. BJP MP Alok Sharma alleged a conspiracy against him in connection with the controversial drug and love jihad case. He claimed artificial intelligence tools and Photoshop are being used to circulate fake pictures and videos that damage his image. Sharma said he trusts people's support and will not be disturbed by false campaign. His remarks came after opposition leaders raised questions. The controversy has added fuel to Bhopal's political debate, with the MP insisting that truth will prevail over fabricated propaganda. Lokayukt has registered a case against a project officer of Women and Child Development Department in Sirmaur block. The officer allegedly demanded Rs 50,000 from the husband of an Anganwadi helper candidate for issuing an appointment letter. Officials said they collected evidence before filing the FIR. The officer faces suspension and prosecution. The case has renewed debate on corruption in rural welfare schemes. Observer noted that bribery continues to harm projects meant to benefit women and children in villages. A horrific accident occurred when a private bus ran over a family riding a motorcycle on the Indore-Ujjain road. The couple and 2 children were killed, with one son dying later in hospital. Police identified the bus as operated by Shukla brothers and linked to BJP MLA Golu Shukla's office. Additional SP Rupesh Trivedi is leading the probe. Angry locals blocked the road, demanding strict action. The tragedy shocked residents and raised sharp questions about reckless driving and the safety record of private bus operators.